Good evening, tutor and companions. Continuing with Activity 5, my name is Jeffer Humberto Medina, studying in Engineer Industry. I will talk about the things that made as a shield. I remember many things with you, Joy, but it speaks especially of the things I did with my grandfather on his farm and my brothers, especially my brother Omar, with whom we shared the most. I loved going to visit my grandfather in vacations because they always taught me something new. I taught the duties on the farm, tending cows, horses, sheep, and pigs. Also taught me to cultivate the land and collect the fruits of the orchard. Because of all the things I teach me, what I remember most and really liked while going fishing and hunting rabbits and pigeons or ducks, small, usually birds. Which was the bed of all vacations were my favorite activities because there was always adventure, always had something sitting, and the end of the afternoon or evening there was always sometimes delicious to eat. As far as I remember, my grandmother was cooked delicious. For example, cooked natural with cereal with milk and sugar. Was amazing. Only my grandmother could make something so delicious. I also liked to play with my brothers, play with the cars in the front of the car on the house, where we lived, and in the afternoon we rode bicycle. We were very active. We were also running around the house, down the shed. I remember on time my mom got into the cool where tang that was in the yard, a special man breaking and steering that she liked very much. She loved this year's style. It was the divine shield. Luckily, it was not statue. Our otherwise, I don't know what to manage the punishment. Thanks.